In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your address from a PayPal invoice. This is really useful if you work from home, use a personal PayPal account for small business, or simply don't want your physical address showing on every invoice you send to clients. I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to your PayPal dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you use for invoicing. Once you're logged in, you should land on your account summary page, which shows your balance and recent activity. This is your main dashboard, and from here we're going to move into the invoicing section. On the dashboard, look for the option to create an invoice. Depending on your layout, this might appear under a section like Invoicing or as a Create Invoice button. Go ahead and click that. This will open up a new invoice draft where you would normally enter your customer's details, items or services, and prices. At the top right of this invoice creation page, you'll see a pencil icon. This icon usually represents settings or customization options for the invoice template. Click on that pencil icon. What this does is open the settings panel for your invoice layout, allowing you to control what information appears on the invoices your customers receive. Now, in this settings area, scroll down until you find the section related to your address. This is usually presented as an address drop-down or a field that shows your business or personal address. Click on that drop-down to see the available options for how your address is displayed. From the drop-down options, select Don't Show on Invoices. By choosing this, you're telling PayPal not to display your address on any invoices that use this template. This doesn't remove your address from your PayPal account itself, it just hides it from the invoices your customers see, which is exactly what we want. Once you've selected Don't Show on Invoices, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or near the settings panel, and click it. This step is important. If you close the page without saving, your address may still appear on future invoices. After saving, you can create a test invoice and preview it to confirm that your address no longer appears. And that's all you need to do to remove your address from PayPal.